Welcome to the Sellbrite for Shopify webinar. Sellbrite for Shopify helps brands and retailers list and sell their products onto the world's largest marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart, while managing orders and inventory right from Shopify. This version of Sellbrite uses the inventory and product data from your Shopify store to power your marketplace listings and allows you to ship your marketplace orders using any of the integrated shipping partners or apps you already have installed in Shopify. Sellbrite for Shopify is perfect for sellers with a Shopify store who are already selling on the major marketplaces or wish to start selling their products on the marketplaces. Sellers who manage their product data in Shopify or use an app to feed products into their store, or sellers who fulfill their orders using an app that they've installed in their Shopify store or want to continue using Shopify as their one platform for order fulfillment. There are a few reasons why Sellbrite for Shopify wouldn't be the right fit. If you operate multiple Shopify stores, you will not be able to connect them to a single Sellbrite for Shopify account. It's possible to have a Sellbrite for Shopify account for each of your Shopify stores. However, this requires you to have unique marketplace accounts for each Shopify store, which is not common. If you do not wish for orders to be sent back to Shopify to be fulfilled, then we suggest not using Sellbrite for Shopify. If either of these scenarios pertain to your business, we suggest you visit Sellbrite.com to learn more about Sellbrite Classic, which can accommodate these things. Sellbrite Classic does not use your Shopify product catalog as the source of truth, but rather acts as its own source of truth, giving you a catalog from which you can manage your products on one or more Shopify stores, as well as all of your other sales channels. So what's different about Sellbrite for Shopify? It's faster and easier to get started than any other system. Our sync times are among the fastest in the industry. We go deeper than other solutions, offering more features on a per channel basis. We're easier to understand and use than anybody else. We focus on security and stability over any feature. Our support team is the reason you see 5-star reviews everywhere on the web. We truly do care about making you successful. If you like what you see in the product demo that's about to start, we hope you'll consider what just 1 year with us can do for your business. Sellbrite retailers are seeing amazing growth in a short amount of time. And now, let's take a tour of the software so you can see firsthand how Sellbrite will be a value to your daily workflow. In this demo, we'll walk you through how to install Sellbrite for Shopify, enable inventory sync on the marketplaces, create new listings, and fulfill orders. Let's get started. To connect Sellbrite to Shopify, go to the Shopify App Store and install the Sellbrite application. This will start your 14-day trial of Sellbrite for Shopify. If you have used Sellbrite in the past, you will be shown the login page of your previous account. It's likely you used Sellbrite Classic. If this is the case, or if you simply need to reset your trial, then please reach out to support@sellbrite.com. If you're starting a new trial, you'll be prompted to enter a password, then your credit card information. Once that information has been entered, your free 14-day trial will begin. As soon as you begin your trial, Sellbrite will immediately begin importing your Shopify store products so they can be listed and managed on your marketplace channels. Connecting your marketplace accounts is easy. Here on the Sales Channel Integrations page, you can connect all of the marketplaces on which you currently sell or want to sell. Each marketplace comes with a set of instructions. Just follow them, and you will have the marketplaces connected in no time. After you connect a marketplace account, Sellbrite automatically begins importing the listings from that channel so they can be managed. Sellbrite will link the listings to the products imported from Shopify. A listing must be linked to a product in order for Sellbrite to update inventory and product data to the marketplace based on changes you make in Shopify. As long as the SKUs match between the marketplace and Shopify, Sellbrite will automatically link the listing to the product for you. If SKUs do not match, then you must manually link the listing to the product imported from Shopify. If you have a listing that does not exist as a product in Shopify, then you must add it to Shopify first. Go to your Shopify store to build products. Once you've added new products in Shopify, the products will automatically import into Sellbrite within a few minutes. Now, you can link your marketplace listing to that product. With Sellbrite for Shopify, you will not be able to add products directly to Sellbrite. This is because Shopify, not Sellbrite, is the source of truth where you want to make all of your changes. Sellbrite imports your product images, titles, descriptions, tags, brands, UPCs, and SKUs into Sellbrite. Please note that if you have duplicate SKUs for Shopify products, Sellbrite will not be able to import them into your Sellbrite account. You will first have to edit the SKUs on Shopify to be unique for each product. For variation products, the SKUs for each variation will be imported. And in Sellbrite for Shopify, you will see a parent SKU that is generated by Sellbrite. Sellbrite creates a parent SKU to group the variations together under a single product. Shopify does not require a parent SKU, so Sellbrite automatically creates one for you. If you need to edit your products, you must edit directly in Shopify, and those changes will automatically be sent to Sellbrite. There are only a few fields that can be edited in Sellbrite, primarily ones that do not exist in Shopify. In the Sellbrite for Shopify app, Shopify is the source of truth for your inventory. All inventory changes must be made on Shopify in order to be visible in Sellbrite. Once you make changes to the inventory on Shopify, Sellbrite will automatically update to reflect the change, both in the Products tab as well as any linked listings you have live on a sales channel. The inventory sync setting in Sellbrite for Shopify enables Sellbrite to update and synchronize the inventory between Shopify and each marketplace. The inventory sync setting can be found by going to Settings, Sales Channel Integrations, and by clicking on the gear icon next to the marketplaces to access that marketplace's settings. This setting has to be enabled for each marketplace in order for Sellbrite to update the inventory in that marketplace's listings. If inventory sync is not enabled, then the listings on a given marketplace will not be updated. If you have inventory at fulfillment centers like FBA or Deliver, or you use third-party fulfillment partners like a dropshipper or print-on-demand service, then make sure you have them connected directly to your Shopify store. Those third parties will update your Shopify store, and the inventory changes will then pass into Sellbrite. Sellbrite for Shopify allows you to create listings to the marketplaces using Shopify products. To create new listings, go to the Products tab and select the checkboxes next to the products that you want to list. Click the green List Products on Channels button, and Sellbrite will walk you through the process of creating listings for that specific marketplace. During the listing process, you will create templates. Templates are saved sets of options for your listings. They get saved to each category of products you sell, so once you've created them for a given category, you don't have to go through the process again. You'll just select products and list them in a few clicks. Just like inventory quantities, listings can be updated by editing product data in Shopify. For example, if a change is made to a product title in your Shopify store, Sellbrite for Shopify will automatically reflect the new title of that product. In addition, any marketplace listings for that product will update automatically as long as 1. The listings are linked to the products in Sellbrite for Shopify, and 2. The listings have title templates applied to them. Orders you receive on your marketplaces will automatically import into Sellbrite every 15 minutes. Once the orders are imported, Sellbrite will send those orders back to Shopify. Once the orders are shipped in Shopify, Sellbrite will import the tracking information and pass it back to the marketplace, marking your orders as shipped or fulfilled. We hope this webinar has provided you with a good understanding of the Sellbrite for Shopify solution. If you have any questions about using Sellbrite for Shopify, then please feel free to reach out to us at support@sellbrite.com or chat with us right inside the app. Now, let's answer your questions.